Hey there, how's it going? Why can't I see Spotify Wrapped in 2024? If you're wondering why your Spotify Wrapped 2024 isn't showing up, here's the deal. First, it's not out yet. Spotify Wrapped usually drops in early December. If it's before that, just hang tight. It's coming soon. Next, app not updated. Make sure that your Spotify app is updated to the latest version so you can have access to all the new features. An updated app might block Wrap from showing up, right? Next, account issues. If you didn't listen to enough music this year or switched accounts, Wrapped might not generate. Log in using your account right here at the top left uh, to your main account to check. Okay, and there is other reasons too that maybe region restrictions. Spotify Wrapped is available globally, but rare bugs could cause issues in certain regions. A quick fix: just go back to your screen and reinstall the app by holding the Spotify. Click delete and double click to delete the app and re-download it again from your App Store or Google Play. And if you still haven't found it yet, right here, like on the top right, if you didn't find it yet, just go back to your screen, then go ahead to your browser and search for Spotify Wrapped. Right? Basically, you're gonna be able to access the Spotify Wrapped from the official website. Okay, so stay tuned and let us know if these tips worked for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.